Hey guys! Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the captivating world of crypto quantum leap. Buckle up, because this adventure promises to be one heck of a ride, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Now, before we dive deep into the nitty-gritty of crypto quantum leap, let's take a moment to grasp the essence of this quantum phenomenon. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, a quantum leap signifies a monumental and rapid advancement, where investments soar to unprecedented heights. Picture this, it's like discovering the secret recipe for turning pennies into gold coins. So, what makes crypto quantum leap so darn magical? It's all about harnessing the power of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated algorithms to identify these auspicious opportunities in the crypto market. It's like having a crystal ball that can foresee the future a future of prosperity and abundance. Now, let's get down to the nuts and bolts of how crypto quantum leap actually works. The secret sauce lies in its seamless integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These bad boys crunch mind-boggling amounts of data, historical trends, and real-time market signals to gain unparalleled insight into the crypto universe. It's like having a team of genius mathematicians and fortune tellers working round the clock to make your dreams come true. So, what's in it for you, you might ask? Well, my friends, the benefits are nothing short of mind-blowing. First off, time is your new best friend. In the fast-paced world of crypto trading, every second counts. But with crypto quantum leap by your side, you can sit back, relax, and let it do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to sleepless nights of analyzing charts and hello to a more balanced life. Next up, we have accuracy, the holy grail of successful trading. Crypto quantum leap is like a sharpshooter, aiming for those profitable trades with laser-like precision. It's like having a guardian angel protecting your investments from the jaws of the market's volatility. Goodbye, losses, hello, gains. And hey, accessibility is key. Crypto trading shouldn't be a top-secret club reserved for the elite. With crypto quantum leap, whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or a fresh-faced newbie, you're welcome to the party. It's like having a VIP pass to the world of wealth and abundance. But wait, there's more. Diversification is the name of the game. And crypto quantum leap has got your back on that front too. It's like having a tour guide that takes you to explore not just the popular tourist spots, but also the hidden gems of the crypto world. So go ahead, spread those investments like a pro. Now, some of you might be wondering about the man behind the magic, Marco Wutzer. Let me tell you, he's like a crypto wizard, casting spells of wisdom and experience in the crypto realm. His involvement with crypto quantum leap has been instrumental in fine-tuning this powerful platform. But hey, let's remember, my friends, there are no guarantees in this wild crypto circus. The market is like a mystical beast, and it can be unpredictable. So stay on your toes. Alright, let's get to the exciting part, the mechanics of crypto quantum leap. You see, these algorithms are not your average algorithms. They're like the superheroes of the tech world. They analyze historical data, market trends, and real-time signals to identify potential quantum leaps. It's like having a crystal-clear roadmap to those crypto treasures. But that's not all. Risk management is the name of the game. Crypto quantum leap knows how to play it smart, protecting you from those nasty market swings. It's like having a safety net ready to catch you if you fall. Safety first, my friends. Now, for those of you who fear the tech stuff, fear not. Crypto quantum leap's user interface is designed with simplicity in mind. It's like having a personal assistant that speaks your language and makes your life easier. So, are you ready to see this marvel in action? Get your popcorn ready because it's showtime. Crypto quantum leap crunches the data like a champ, tirelessly scanning the market 24/7. It's like having an army of experts working for you, even while you're sipping your morning coffee. And now, for the grand finale, incorporating crypto quantum leap into your trading strategy. First and foremost, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. And with crypto quantum leap as your ally, you're destined for greatness. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep evolving as a crypto ninja. When you're ready to take the plunge, start small. Dip your toes in the water and see how it feels. Once you're comfortable, dive in headfirst like a fearless warrior. Remember, success loves courage. Diversify, diversify, diversify. It's like having a buffet of crypto delicacies. Why settle for just one? With crypto quantum leap's insights, you can be the master of your diversified universe. But hey, never forget, the crypto market is a wild beast. Keep your eyes peeled, stay vigilant, and don't get too complacent. It's like exploring uncharted territory, you never know what lies around the corner. In the end, trust your instincts. Crypto Quantum Leap is a powerful ally, but it's not a crystal ball. You're the captain of your ship, and your intuition is your compass. Navigate wisely, my friends. And now, we've reached the conclusion of this epic crypto odyssey. Crypto Quantum Leap emerges as a formidable tool. A weapon of mass prosperity for crypto traders and investors. Its benefits are undeniable. Its insights unparalleled. And its association with Marco Wutzer adds an extra layer of assurance. But, my friends, remember that the past doesn't dictate the future. The crypto market is a realm of mysteries and surprises. Rigorous research, self-education, and a healthy dose of caution are your best friends on this journey. Unlock profits with Crypto Quantum Leap by clicking on the link below. With heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this electrifying crypto adventure, I bid you farewell until our paths converge again. May your crypto endeavors be as dazzling as shooting stars. And may the cosmic dance of the crypto market be forever in your favor. So, if you've enjoyed this thrilling ride, show some love with a resounding thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to join us on future crypto escapades. Until next time, my fellow crypto adventurers, stay bold, stay curious, and stay crypto hungry. See you soon.